Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to manage your team in Clickup. So let's say you have a nice team and you want to manage them. You need to do this right here if you go to more in the dashboard. Because right here in the dashboard the magic happens, and this is the place that we need to manage our team. So right now, I recommend you to use templates because they already built for you a nice system to manage your team. So in this way, we select right here project management. Then right now, if you can see project management, deep dive on detailed projects, 15 days free trial. Now let's do the free trial. Then we do right here, for example, this YouTube section over there, and then we do create dashboards. Then right now you will find right here everything that you need to know, because we find right here open tasks, overdue tasks, total tasks right here, workload by status, priority breakdown, open task by SNEs. So you will find here in this nice symbol all the open tasks that still need to be done. And then you will find right here all the tasks where people are stuck on or stuff like that. So from here you can see which person or who is stuck on that project. Then you see right here the tasks that we created, and you can do that too by yourselves, but then create it to your own name, the SNE, the due date and the priority. So then you can send this to that person. That person will get a notification that he needs to do that with a due date. And then when it's done or when it's not done or whatever you want to see it, you will find it back right here in this list. Now you see also right here a overall progress towards completion. So this means how much work you still need to do to complete everything. And if you scroll down, you see right here last activity. Work that people completed this week, and you see right here productivity points over the last 30 days. So this is in a nutshell how it looks like, and from here you can manage your team because you are having an overview, and right here it's very clear to see who is doing what and which tasks are done. So this is an easy way how to manage your team in Clickup. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.